Now my screen is visible, friend, and the things is right. My voice is clear.
Yes, fine.
Okay, so now. Okay, so now, so okay, so okay now. So I said that right. I will use this configuration using directly, right? Directly in what, in the practical only, and we will get just our, after making that we will get hello first application. Just our target is only one thing on the browser, hello first application. We will get that result, right? So shall we develop the application using these things, using these things shall we develop now, and we will see that, right? I'm going to create one project. I'm going to create one project, right? I'm going to create one project, and the same things, whatever things I explained here, right? Same things I will write in the application also. I will write in the application also same things, okay? Same things, and we will see that, right? We will see that. But here handler mapper we will not call, front controller will call, internal things will happen, right? But the next step, how execution flow is there and all those things, because of that I explain this handler mapper, right? We can't able to see also handler mapper in the of our application, right? Don't worry about that. Just we will configure this one and we will write this one, right? This one only, and accept, and we will configure this one and we will write that this JSP page. That's it, and we can able to see our result, our favorite result and all those things, okay na? So now let's develop one application. So one more things, right? If we want to work on what Spring MVC, so which dependency we have need, which dependency we have need? We have need two dependency, right? One is Spring web MVC, right? MVC. Second one is what? Servlet API dependency. Servlet what? Servlet API dependency. If we want to work on what? Spring MVC, we have need what? Two dependency. These two dependency, then we can able to work now. Another one is what? Maven compiler. Okay, these three things we have need. Okay, so let's create one project and we will see that our favorite things. Okay, so now, okay, so now what I will do now, just I'm creating one application. So till now we develop what is standalone application in another module, right? We are going to develop what? Dynamic application. We are using what? Dynamic application, right? So for that, here project creation is little bit different, right? Here project creation is what? Little bit different. So now what we will do now? New, no, sorry, file, new. Okay, now select the Maven project. Maven project. Okay, Maven project. Next. Previously, which quick star we are selecting? Maven archetype quick star. For this one is to develop a standalone application, but we are going to develop what? Web application, right? We are going to develop what? Web application. So for that, what we will do now? We will select this archive. Which one? Maven archetype web, right? So then our Maven will create what? Web application. Then our Maven will create what? Web application. So now what we will do now? Next, here I'm going to give what? Org dot what? Rk dot first. It's not taking. Okay, so RK first. Okay, so now MVC first application, right? First application, just 1.0 version I'm giving. Now finish it. Okay, so now our project is created now. Okay, now, so our project is got created. So for that, what we will do now? So but our working folder is not came, just one folder is came, src main resources. So what we will do now? We will click on, right click on the project. So otherwise where we will write? We can't write our this class, right? Come in the diagram, right? This class we have need to write this class or not? So we can't write this class inside that what? Resources folder, right? So what we will do now? After creating this project, just right click, little bit different thing is there, just concentrate on that, I will give each and every step to you people. And even after then I will upload this video on YouTube channel also. You people will not face any problem also, right? So for that, but just listen the things, okay na? So now what we will do now, right click on the project. After then what we will go do now, go inside that what, go inside that what, where one minute, yeah, build path, go inside that what, build path. After then select configuration build path, okay after then take what, add very, add library, add, select the add library. Inside that whenever you will click on the add library, multiple things will come, but select what, server runtime, next. After inside that what you will do now, Apache Tomcat, whatever your server you are installing your machine, right, those server you have to select. Now finish it. After then what you will do now, apply and close. See, our working folder is came or not? SRC main Java. Just previously only one folder was there, right? SRC main resources. Now SRC test also came, right? So in web application, we have need to do, if we create application, right? We have need to do every time these things, right? What we will do now? Again, I'm telling, right? Again, I'm telling. What is that? Right click on the project. After then, where you will go now? Where you will go now? Build path, right? After then what, configuration build path. Inside that configuration what you will select now, add library. After selecting add library, inside the server runtime, okay, next. After then whatever your server is there, okay, now that server you have to select. Now finish it. Now apply and close, okay. So then okay, so now after then what we will do now, we will put all dependency, whatever dependency required dependency is there, those dependency we will put it, right? So okay, come to what, come to browser, spring, MVC dependency. I will tell flow also in the application, okay. So now okay, copy this one. Now what we will do now, open the pom.xml. It's taking time because my system getting too much slow nowadays, right? I don't want to form it because so many things is there. Okay, so now where we will pass in the dependency, paste in the dependency tag. Now save it. Okay, na another one more dependency we have need. Which one we have need? Servlet dependency. Servlet Maven dependency, right? Hmm. So now copy this one. It's too much slow. My system becoming too much slow. Day to day, it's becoming too much slow. Yeah. Come to Eclipse ID, right? Come to Eclipse ID and paste it here. Okay. One more tag we have need. Which one? Compiler, Maven compiler, right? Maven compiler. Copy from here to here now. Okay. After then what we will do now? We will go inside that and we will paste it. Okay. So now all things is completed now. Okay, na? All things is completed now. means all environment we set it, whatever dependency we have need, all those dependency we kept inside what form.xml now. Okay, so let's move on and we see that, right? We will see that, what we will see that. Okay, so fine. So it's taking time, friend. Okay, now actually my system is really too much slow now. Okay, server dependency not added now. Okay, I did already. Yeah. Good observation, right? Good observation. Thank you so much. Spring Web MVC, same dependency I added 2 times. Good observation. Very good. Appreciated. Okay, na. So now what is that? What is that? Servlet Maven dependency. Good observation. Very good. Okay. So now I added. Okay. So it's too much horrible, right? Wait, friends. Actually, my system is giving me hand. Hmm. Okay. Why it's giving the problem? No, fine. Right click on the project, Maven, update now. Why this red mark is coming now here? Yeah, it's gone. Okay, fine. Okay, so all dependency, whatever required dependency is there, we kept inside that, right? So come here, come on that, come here, right? Come here. What I explained, the folder webinf pages. We have need to create one folder inside what webinf, right? Where we will put what input means this JSP page. This JSP page we will put inside that folder, right? So where that folder is there in the SRC main web app, webinf is there, delete this JSP, no need, right? This JSP, delete it. So inside that, what we will do now, the pom web.xml is there, right? Already web.xml is there, don't worry about that, I will explain that one only again. Okay, na. Webinf is there, right? Inside that, create one more folder, right? Create one more folder now. Okay, so here what we will do now, pages, right? Pages, I created one folder, right? Now I created. Okay, fine. Inside that, what we will do now, just we will take one JSP page, just we will take one JSP page. So come here, right? right right click on that, right click on that. Now what we will do now, other, right? Other, here what is that? JSP, select the JSP. Now next, here I'm giving what? Input, input dot JSP page name I'm giving, right? Now finish it. See, one JSP page is created, right? So just delete it. These things no need. Just here H1. I'm giving what? What our output we want now in the diagram explanation we seen, right? What? Just hello first application, right? This output we want, right? So for that, just we will write it only, that one only. Hello app, right? Just we will get this result only, just we want this result only. Okay, na. So the our page is we completed now. Which things we completed till now these things is completed, right? Till now these things means this page is we created now. Okay, so now let's come to here, okay. So for that I said that, right, I said that come to here. So what is that? Come here, right, come here. So I said that this is the front controller, which is the ready made already spring people is given, but we have need to configure like this only, right, we have need to configure like this only, right. So come here. So web.xml already there in the web.inf folder, right. So we will write inside this web.xml only, right. So what we will do now, okay, just delete this one, no need. Okay, now write servlet servlet tag inside that. What we will do now, servlet, what is that? Servlet name is there, right. Another one is what? Servlet class. Another one is what? Servlet, what is that? Servlet class is there, right. So now let's write it. Just I decided what? MVC app, right. I'm giving the logical name of this one, what? MVC application. Too much slow. Okay, MVC application, right. So but front controller in which package is there? Come to here, right. ORG Spring Framework Web Servlet Dispatcher. But our brain is not that much capable to remember this much things. So how, what we will do now? Come to here. I will tell the shortcut thing. Just press Control Shift plus T, right? Control Shift plus T. Here write dispatcher. Dispatcher. Dispatcher servlet. So see, dispatcher servlet is came, right, in which folder. So just open this one. Just open this one. Copy class name. It's too much problem. Now paste it here. After then come back again in the same class only. Come to top, totally top, right? Come to totally top, and copy the package name. Package name. This is the package name. Copy it, and what you will do now? Come here and paste here, right? Paste here. Dot paste here. That's it. My system is giving too much problem. Okay, so now save it. Yeah. So what we did, this dispatcher servlet is ready made. We don't have need to develop. But yesterday what we are doing, that we only develop one servlet. But to instantiating purpose, to container, how will instantiate using what? This descriptor file or not? Web.xml file or not? So same like what we are doing, that this dispatcher servlet is given by whom? Spring MVC. But still we have need to configure this Spring MVC, this dispatcher servlet or not, where we will configure in the web.xml, right, in the web.xml. Next application I will not configure, I will configure using Java, but still I have need to give the analysis. Because of that I am explaining. See, in my explanation something is there, because of that I am explaining. Unnecessary things I'm not. See why yesterday I wasted one day time. Why I wasted? Because of that. Based on this discussion, today discussion is going on or not. So if I'm explaining something, means next level discussion is there based on this one only. Because of that I'm explaining to you people, right. I'm not wasting your time and my time also. That's it. Time is important. See, time is a precious, friends. Okay na. So I know that value of the time. Everyone time is more important in the life, their life. Okay na. So don't worry about that. Just one thing, believe on me, if I'm explaining one anything in the currently, something is there in the next level. Because of that I'm explaining those things. Okay na. So now, okay, servlet, right, servlet. Okay na. Servlet. So but this front controller is given by whom? Spring people. But still we have need to configure or not. So we are configuring in that. We are not developing this dispatcher servlet, but we have need to configure this servlet, right. So after then what we will do now, just I'm taking load on startup. At the time of deployment, our application should be instantiate. So what is that load on the startup? Just I'm giving the time two priority. I'm giving the two priority. Okay, no, now servlet. What is that? Servlet mapping. Second one is what? Servlet mapping. Okay, so after then what we are doing, that what we are doing, that servlet name, right? Servlet name, what is that? MVC app. MVC app. Okay, so fine. Another one is what? Servlet URL pattern, right? URL pattern. Inside that directory match, I'm giving what? What is that? MVC slash star. Just I'm giving star. It's meaning this one. Till now here means what? Our this one will instantiate. Whenever we will make, this one will instantiate. After then whatever URL we will take means our own controller URL, that one will instantiate. Meaning of this URL pattern, meaning of this one only, right? This one only. Because of that I'm taking this one. Okay, so now, okay, our front controller configuration is completed now. But our Spring MVC using some helper classes also, right? Helper classes also. So for that, what we have need to do now? So to write what? To write that helper classes, what we have need? Configuration. Means if we develop using what? Java application. So what is that? Using at the rate annotation configuration, right? At the rate configuration we are making that Java class as a configuration. But if we are working on the XML, so we have need to create one XML file, right? XML file, we will what? There we will do what? Configuration or not? So same like what is that? Same like. So come here. So helper class is what? In the Spring MVC, which one is the helper class? This is the view resolver is helper class using prefix and a suffix. Inside that view resolver, two method are there, prefix and a suffix method is there, where we will give the location and the extension of this GSP page, right? Then our front controller will take the data, right? Take the GSP page. So what we will do now? We will configure what? We will configure what? Our internal resource view resolver. For that, what we will do now? We will create inside this one web-inf only, right? Inside that web-inf. So one we will create one what? One more XML file. But the XML file name we will take this one, this name. Otherwise, our container, our Spring MVC container will not instantiate. We must take this name, after then hyphen servlet dot XML. That file name like this name. If we change here another name, right? Just MVC. If I'm taking MVC, and here also I'm taking MVC only, right? Then that file name also MVC should be MVC. Otherwise our application will not work. I will show the problem also, right? So if I'm taking here MVC, right? So how we will create the what file name we will take? Right click on that, new Spring Bean configuration. Which file we will take? Spring Bean configuration. And the file name is what? File name is what we will take now? What we will take now? MVC, right? MVC hyphen servlet dot XML, right? Like this we will take these things is mandatory. And this one will change based on this name, right? Based on this name, right? Based on this name and this name will change. But this one is the mandatory, right? But this one based on this logical name it will change. But this one is the mandatory. Okay, now I will show the problem also, don't worry. Okay, so now MVC. Now next, what? Which one we will select now? First one, bean, right? Bean. After then what I will select now? P namespace, means I will pass the para name also. After then one more, context. I will select context. Okay now, and inside that what? Down, first one we will select now, next, and then finish now. All Spring core things I'm explaining here, friends. These things is Spring core only, right? So now, okay, so this is the what? Our XML configuration. So what is that? Bean, right? So this is the number of bean equal to number of tag, here it will become, right? But whenever we are developing the Java application, number of bean equal to number of method we are taking, right? So here what is that? In the Spring terminology, what this object is, view resolver is what? Bean only, right? Bean only. So how we will do now? So here I'll taken the pre namespace, c namespace, right? So what is that? Bean tag. We will take the bean tag. Okay now, inside that one more, id equal to just what? I'm taking resolver rs. Just I'm taking the name of what? After then what is that? Class, right? Class tag. Inside that class tag, what is that? Internal. I'm taking internal view resolver. internal view resolver, INTER, internal view resolver, this object I'm taking right now. Okay na. So after then what is that? So in that method I will call what is that, suffix and prefix. I said that right, the prefix and suffix, this is the core module. I explained these things, friend. Okay na, these things I already explained. If anybody is stuck in here, please one more time watch this one, and but don't worry about that. Next application will, I will make that much easy. This configuration I will not tell, I will give the Java configuration, and that one only industry is using. But here I need to explain this one, because if I'm not explaining right, then that Java configuration there init file I will write, then it will become problem for me. Because of that I'm explaining this application, otherwise I can't expend time in this application, right? The first application, right, take time, okay na. Then we will understand the next level discussion, okay na. See, friend, if you reach in your life anywhere, fundamental will never change, friend. Fundamental will never change, right? So if you want to become something good in the subject, right, don't forget about fundamental, right? If fundamental is good, then already by default higher level things will be good, right? Higher things will, whenever you know, my life strategy is this one only. Whenever I'm doing the things right, I'm concentrating on the fundamentals things, I'm not concentrating on higher things, okay na. If I know just one thing, so na, if you want to become good player, right, first you have to learn the game rules and the regulation. If you know the rules and the regulation, then 1 or 2 time, after 1 or 2 time doing the practical, right, you will become expert. You will become expert, right? So this is these things and this attitude apply in your life, right? Definitely then success is there in IT industry. It's my challenge, okay na. Because within the short time I became consultant, means it's a really different things, okay na. Within the too much short time I became software consultant, and I can challenge it. No one can become with the now my experience is total what, 7 years. But within I became software consultant in the 5 years of experience only, right? At the time when I was there in the 5 years of experience, in that time only I became software consultant. Now 2 year completed now, okay. So okay na. So every time focus on what basic things, fundamental never change, friend, okay na. Fundamental never change, okay na. So please focus on fundamental and think about that. Okay, so let's move on, okay na. So p colon, what is that? P namespace, if we take now, p colon, what is that? P colon, what is that? P colon what? Prefix, right? Prefix. And another one is what? Suffix, right? Another one is what? P colon what? Suffix. Another one is what? Suffix, right? Suffix, I said that, right? Prefix and suffix, okay. These two things, these two methods are there, right? So inside that I said that what we will do, give now location of come to discussion here, right? What is that? Slash webinf slash pages, right? This location we will give. So come to here in our application, come to in our application. What is that location? Where the location is there now? This is right inside that webinf pages. Inside that input is there, right? Where we will go give now slash must be, right? Each and whatever things I'm writing here, friend, everything is important. If anything if you forget, then you will not get result. You will not get result, right? So now what is that? Suffix, prefix is what is that name? Webinf, right? So we will write web hyphen what? Inf, right? Web hyphen what? Inf. After then again slash, right? After then what? Again slash. Okay, so now next what is that? Inside that web inf, what is there? Pages there, right? So pages, pages, right? Pages, we will write this folder name, right? After then don't forget to give the slash also. It's a need mandatory. Each and every slash is important, friend, right? Here I taken what? Page. You can take another name also, but that name you have need to apply here, right? You have need to apply. After then what is that? Inside that page, right? What is that? Input name is there, but the extension name is what? JSP. Then we will give what? The dot JSP. That extension name we will give. Okay, so now configuration, everything is completed now. everything is completed now. Okay, so but still what we have need to do now, but one more things. I said that whenever we are using what, come to here, whenever we are using what in the just what just in the inside what think about that. Whenever we are writing, you applying what stereotype annotation. For that, what annotation we are taking in the configuration at the rate component scan we are taking or not? Component scan scan this annotation we are applying. Then our container is detecting what, controller classes are not same like here also what we will do now, we are going to use what at the rate controller and what another get request also. These two annotation we will, I said that, right? I said that we will apply it, right? So what we will do now, come to here and the top of bean, right? Here what we will do now, at the rate context, what is that? Context component scan, this one we will take, right? Inside that what we will do now, we will give the package name com dot just rk, right? If we develop what using java configuration, for that at the rate component scan annotation is there, but to scan in a XML configuration, this tag is there, friend, right? This tag is there. Based on this tag, we will scan that child classes, right? Child classes. Okay, now see where Spring Core module is not there. Everywhere I'm using what is Spring Core module only, right? In Spring MVC, think about that. See, base module is what core only, right? If I said that first day when I was start Spring Core, right? Spring Core, I said that listen, don't listen what another module, but listen what core module. And in whatever core module, in the core module, whatever things I explained, except that I'm not using in the except that I'm not using in this module, another whatever I taken what Spring JDBC, Spring ORM, except that I'm using any another concept, whatever things I explained in the Spring Core module. See, learn those things only, whatever in need in the project. Unnecessary things, so many things is there, right? Whole life will complete, we can't learn, right? We can't learn in Spring or in Java only, but whatever necessary thing is there, whatever we are applying day to day in the project and all those things you people learn. Because of that I taken this action, friend. I seen the people is doing businesses with the innocent people, right? Innocent people, they thinking about that, yeah, I only know that. I observe their businesses and all those things. Okay, now then I taken the action. Okay, how many people I can help? Let's help it, right? Let's help it. Because of that, I taken the action. And even Saturday, Sunday, right? Even Saturday, Sunday, I'm giving these things. Okay, now utilize it. You people will not get these kind of things. Okay, now you people in the short term, I'm giving what to you people. I'm giving what. Like what we are saying that they are Noor, Kohinoor I'm giving to you people. If the person will utilize, definitely success is there. It's my challenge. But one thing is need. This is the higher level subject, right? Framework and all those things. Too much analytical things also need here, because basic. I said that fundamental will never change, and don't waste. Don't think about that. Without fundamental, you can learn the higher things. Okay, na? So every time study what core Java and servlet. Why I yesterday I explained servlet, and even this much easiest way I'm explaining Spring MVC to you people. I know who is listening first time, those people for that this is a little bit tough. I can understand, but do one time practical. After then you people will think about that. Okay, this is the too much easiest way. I can challenge you. This much easiest way no one can explain Spring MVC. They will show our heroism, right? Hero, I am a hero in the Java. No need. Who is the hero? Nothing. Everyone is the same only, right? Heroism, no need to show. Okay, what is the heroism to showing in the subject? Yeah. Okay, so leave it. Okay, na. If the person is not understanding the things after completing the session, means the person is not able to do practical, then their teaching and their those things is waste only, in my point of view, right? Okay, so now the things is completed now. Okay, now the things is completed now. So I said that why I use this one. for that I'm going to use what stereotype annotation. For that I use this one. Okay now. So now, so all things is completed now. So shall we develop our what, our controller class, where we will develop now? Come to here, right? Come to here in this class. Okay now, in this folder, right click new class, right click new class. What I'm giving now? com dot rk dot what is that? emp. Just I'm giving the folder name emp and class name I'm employee. Now finish it, right? Now finish it. Okay. So I said that if this is what develop controller, right? Here we are writing the logic. So for that, which annotation? Come to our diagram, okay. So here I said that, right? Here to make this class as a controller class, developer controller class, which annotation we will apply? At the rate controller, right? So now apply it at the rate controller, at the rate what is that? Controller. Okay, so fine. Okay, come here, come to diagram only, right? So what I said that, so if we want to view that page, right? View that page, which page? This page, right? So here for that we will write one method based on that model and view return type. Okay na? So let's write it. Where we will write? Inside this class only. So what is that? Public model and view, model and view, right? And just I'm taking what? mv name, I'm taking the method name. After then what? Just I'm returning null now, null. After then writing the logic, what we will do now? We will write it. Okay, so after then what I'm doing? That model and what is that? Model and view. Now m equal to new model. Okay, so fine. Now what we will do now? Just I'm setting the model dot what? Set view name, right? View name. Inside that, come to here. What is that page name? Our JSP page name input, right? So we will pass that page name input input. That's it. Not a total, not dot JSP. Don't put dot JSP. Don't put. Why we are using the view resolver? View resolver will add. We don't have need, just we need to give the name only. Just we have need to give the name only. And after then what we will do now? We will return back this one, right? This object here, m. After then, but we will decide this method, which kind of method we request we will make we want to make get type. So what we will do now? At the rate get mapping annotation we will apply on the top of this method. Inside that we will take URI. So just chow, right? Now our first application is, friend, completed. Now let's see the execution flow of this application, right? So just I don't want to run this application till now if any problem will, because our meeting just 1 minute only, right? 1 minute. So unmute yourself till now, whatever discussion we completed now. So anybody having any doubt, let me ask. Okay na? One to one. I will explain again, right? I will explain again to you people. Okay, unmute yourself. After then reconnect. We will reconnect it, right? After then we will understand the flow and all those things. Again I will come to this diagram, right? Again, this diagram is we have need every time. We need every time. So Amit, any doubt? Jagdish.
No, Ravi.
Yeah,
It's
Yeah,
not out.
in Phoenix Note 8i, any doubt?
yeah,
N-
yeah. Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
I just need
Your
I need the
your your
clarification
your
on
voice is
the
your voice is
method that
breaking,
we are
man. Your voice
calling at our controller. That's model and view.
your voice
What's
is
the
breaking, man.
relationship between that model and view?